The top penny stocks to watch this month are being moved by the regular speculation, sketchy businesses, and promotions. Never put your faith in the promoters. Please take advantage of the hype, but don't believe it. A swift investigation into some of these businesses reveals the facts. They may not even have a functioning product or company. They can change their business models at any time. Hello, this is Stock Monster, your online broker, and we've got another investment vehicle for you. Let's get straight to the top penny stocks to watch in 2021 for today's video. A penny stock is a stock issued by a small business that trades for less than $5 per share. While some penny stocks trade on major exchanges like the NYSE, many penny stocks trade on the OTC bulletin board. Although penny stock trading can result in substantial profits, it also carries the risk of losing a significant amount of money quickly. Penny stocks are highly volatile and can result in substantial losses. The price ranges in this article are hypothetical and do not reflect buy or sell recommendations. Keep in mind that it is up to you to make trading decisions based on your skillful research and risk management. Tellurian Inc. Wolf Research upgraded Tellurian Inc. to a buy rating earlier this year. The penny stock has a price range of $5 according to the company. Given that the price of Tell stock is currently about the same level as it was last week, Wolf's goal is currently around 90% higher. Given the recent increase in global LNG rates, analyst Sam Margolin believes that some prospects for the Driftwood liquefied natural gas project have improved. Margolin went on to say that the project's appeal is enduring in commodity price environments. Tellurian, he believes, may also outperform rivals in the existing revenue and purchasing agreement window. Tell stock falls somewhere in the center of alternative green energy and conventional oil and gas. Thanks to numerous tailwinds fueling energy markets this year, no pun intended. Due to reopening, both niches gained substantial ground in 2021. Thanks to a recovery in the reopening trade, Tell stock has been on a clear uptrend for the better part of the last month. Given the amount of new economic data set to be released this week, it will be essential to see how energy stocks respond. Iterum Therapeutics. Iterum Therapeutics is another penny stock that analysts are optimistic about. The stock is rated buy by H.C. Wainwright, with a price target 119% higher than the stock's closing price on May 21st. Iterum was upgraded from neutral to buy by analysts at Arce, who set a $2.50 price target. As a result, he said recent financings provide significant runaway, enabling investor attention to shift to potential FDA approval and launch. Sulopenem, the company's lead medication, is expected to be the first oral penem-type antibiotic to enter the market, according to the analyst. When it comes to ITRM stock, we've covered several possible catalysts in the past. In addition, with these two upcoming dates approaching rapidly, it will be essential to see how the market reacts. Sesen Bio Inc. This year, Canaccord Genuity analysts have backed Sesen. Analyst John Newman has a buy rating on the stock and a $5 price target. He expects Sesen's Vicinium and non-muscle invasive bladder cancer to be reviewed and approved by the end of the quarter. In the company's most recent quarterly update, CEO Thomas Cannell stated that the company is on track for possible approval in the United States in August of this year, and Europe early next year. If you've been following Sesen's story, you'll recall that the FDA informed the company in February that the BLA had been approved. The goal PDUFA date for a priority review was set for August 18th. So far, how do you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends interested in penny stocks now. Let's get back to the list. Marker Therapeutics Inc. Analysts are paying close attention to small-cap companies with biotech exposure. Although this isn't the only area of interest, it is one of the most prominent due to the potential of these businesses. However, with more incredible opportunity comes a greater risk of disappointment, and as a result, a market downturn. That hasn't stopped retail traders from turning their attention to biotech penny stocks in 2021. Last week, Market Therapeutics experienced a strong bullish rally, adding to its year-to-date gains. MRKR stock has increased by 91% since January. Furthermore, if Oppenheimer's analysts are correct, the company expects more upside in the future. Matthew Biegler gave Marker a buy rating and an $8 price goal. MRKR is now 188% higher than last week, when it closed at $2.77. One of the company's main priorities is to move forward with its AML trial, which just dosed its first patient. Over the last few years, cancer stocks have been scorching hot, T-cells and even mRNA have been thrown into the mix as therapeutic options. The company will present preliminary results from robotic automation of T-cell generation for treating AML at the International Society for Cell and Gene Therapy meeting this week, which runs from May 26th to May 28th. Vistagen Therapeutics Inc. Vistagen is a pharmaceutical firm that we've talked about a lot in the past. Anxiety, depression, and other mental disorders are among the conditions for which the organization is creating therapies. Its pH94B nasal spray, for example, is about to begin a Phase 3 trial to see if it can help adults with anxiety. Baird analyst Brian Scorney initiated coverage on Vistagen with an outperform rating and a $9 price goal earlier this month. The aim is 219% higher than current prices, given that VTGN stock closed out last week at $2.82. Scorney emphasized the potential of pH94B, claiming that it has a huge commercial potential. Scorney also told investors that he believes VTGN is significantly undervalued in light of the growth potential and that Vistagen will be a major outperformer over the next year. Vistagen has more forthcoming presentations at business conferences, so that's something to keep an eye on right now. Both will be at the Jefferies Healthcare and William Blair conferences next week on Wednesday and Thursday. As a result, VTGN could be one of the penny stocks to keep an eye on this quarter. Penny stocks are a decent way to get your foot in the door as a stock market trader. This is because penny stocks are sold at a low cost, making them ideal for first-time buyers. Even if there is a chance of fraudulent firms selling penny stocks, the advantages outweigh the risks. All an investor needs to know is which stocks to buy and when to sell them. The following are some of the benefits of investing in the stock market by purchasing penny stocks. Penny stocks are sold at low rates and are easier to acquire. Penny stock investments reduce the risk of losing a significant amount of money. More shares can be purchased at lower rates. In other words, the only reason you can buy penny stocks is your personal preference. After all, experts aren't always right, and things can change rapidly for smaller businesses. However, as we've seen with some of these penny stocks, analysts explain why they've made these recommendations based on their analysis. It's up to you, the investor, to determine if those highlights fit with your company thesis. What are your thoughts on the top penny stocks to watch in 2021? Please leave a comment below. I love hearing from all of our viewers. Once again, this is Stock Monster, your online broker. Please subscribe and we'll see you in the following video.